Dear students, now I am going to teach you the topic washing machine. It is an electronic device which is used to wash the clothes automatically. Okay. So washing machine consists of washing basket and cylindrical vertical column that is called agitator. During washing basket and agitator both will rotate in opposite direction so the clothes are washed. Okay. There are two types of washing machine, top loading washing machine and front loading washing machine. In top loading washing machine, clothes are put from the top of the machine. In front loading washing machine, clothes are put from the front side of the machine. Right? Mostly people are preferring top loading washing machine. Okay. See the control knobs in washing machine. In washing machine, it is having load select knob, water inlet select knob, mode select knob, then program select knob. Right? So load select knob. Actually, what is mean load? Number of cloths are to be washed. Right? Here there are three levels: high, medium, and low. High means more number of cloths are to be washed. Medium means medium number of cloths are to be washed. Low means less number of cloths are to be washed. Okay. Then water inlet select knob. Here hot water, tap water, and both mixed water. Okay. So according to the requirement, the water inlet will be selected. Then mode select knob. Here normal mode and save mode. In normal mode, detergent will be put along with the cloths. Okay. In save mode, detergent will be saved initially. Okay. So it will be taken whenever it is required. Right. Then program select knob. Here four levels are there: heavy, normal, light, and delicate. Based on the condition of the cloth, program select knob will be selected. Okay. See, heavy means the very dirty cloths. Okay. Normal means normal dirty cloths, and light means lightly dirty cloths. Then delicate means silk type of cloths. Okay. Next, here I am going to explain how to control the washing machine by using 8051 microcontroller. Right. So interfacing of washing machine with 8051 microcontroller. Okay. So actually in 8051 microcontroller there are four ports. Right. Port 0, port 1, port 2, and port 3. Each port is having 8 input output lines. Right. So some of the input output lines which is used for interfacing with 8051 washing machine control. Okay. See here P2.0, P2.7. See P2.0 which is connected with the LED. Okay. So which is the washing machine on indication. Right. And P2.7 which is for the buzzer sound. Right. Buzzer is connected with P2.7. Right. Then P1.0 to P1.3, it is for the program select knob. Right. So already I have explained heavy, normal, light, and delicate. Okay. So if heavy is selected means this line will be high. If normal is selected means this line will be high. If light is selected means this line will be high. So if delicate is selected means P1.3 will be high. Okay. If it is selected, that corresponding line will be high. If it is not selected, the corresponding line will be 0. Logically 0. Okay. Then P0.3 and 0.4, it is for the water inlet select. So hot water and normal water. If hot water is selected means this line will be high. If normal water is selected means this line will be high. Okay. Right. So based on the input selection, this knob will be adjusted. If hot water is selected means P2.1. Okay, this is the output line. So this is the input line. If this is selected, so this hot water will be opened. Okay. If normal is selected means P2.2 which is connected to the normal water tap, this tab will be opened. Okay. Then see P0.2, 0.1 and 0.0, so which is connected with the washing basket. See P0.0 is connected with low, and 0.1 for medium, 0.2 for high. Okay. So already I have explained, low means less number of cloths are to be washed, medium means medium number of cloths are to be washed, and high means more number of cloths are to be washed. Right. So based on the number of cloths, it will give the input to 8051 through P0.0, 0.1 or 0.2. Okay. Next, see for the rotation there is a motor drive. Okay. So P2.0 is connected with agitator motor drive. P2.4 is also connected with agitator motor drive, and 2.6 is connected with spin motor drive. Okay, for the rotation, right? Then P2.5 is connected with the drain tap, right? Next, see washing cycle. Here, fill water, agitate, drain. Okay, right? So according to the requirement, so these cycle will be repeated based on the type of cloth, number of times this cycle will be repeated. Fill water, agitate, drain. Okay, right? If it is completed means then spin. Okay, see the program. So here set B P2.0. Okay, P2.0, which is connected, washing machine on condition. It is LED is connected. It is indicating the washing machine is in on condition. Okay, so initially P2.0 will be high. That means LED will be getting on. Okay, then L call fill. It is to fill the water. Then JNP space P1.0 comma loop 1. See here, jump JNP means jump if the bit is not set. Okay, which bit? P1.0. Okay, so it is checking P1.0. So if heavy is selected, means this bit will be 1. If heavy is not selected means this will be 0. Is it not? Jump if the bit is not set. Okay, if heavy is not selected, control will be transferred to loop 1. Okay, if heavy is selected means the next line will be executed. Short jump heavy. Okay, say heavy subroutine will be called, then corresponding routine will be executed. Okay, then JNP P1.1 comma loop 2. Jump if the bit is not set, control will be transferred to loop 2. Which bit? P1.1 normal. If the normal is not selected means the control will be transferred to next loop. If it is selected means S jump normal. Normal subroutine will be called and the corresponding routine will be executed. Okay. Next, JNP space P1.2 comma loop 3. Jump if the bit is not set. P1.2 is not set means control will be transferred to loop 3. S jump light. Light subroutine will be called. The corresponding routine will be executed. Then JNP space P1.3 comma loop 4. Jump if the bit is not set. Which bit? 1.3 is not set means control will be transferred to loop 4. Okay, end. Okay, no operation. If the P1.3 is set, delegate is selected means the corresponding routine will be executed. S jump delegate. So the routine will be executed for delegate. Okay. After that, after completing the washing, display set B P2.7. Okay, so P2.7 is connected with the buzzer. Okay, so after completion of washing, the buzzer sound will come. Okay, for that this instruction is used. Set B P2.7. Okay, thank you.